Hi, I'm Jesse Gigushis. Um, I have had a lot of good teachers, but particularly the one stands out who was really horrible. But honestly, it made me better because I my whole life has been despite him. He's an acting teacher, and he's just really mean, and like he would tear me down. In a way that was just like there was really no other purpose other than to get me to feel like seemingly feel horrible about myself. Um, he really set me aside also because I came into the program late, and he kind of never let me forget that. And it was really hard. It's really hard. He told me I had a learning disability because I was having trouble in one class. Um, But like I said, it did give me a drive to go to New York and do the thing and get hired. Um, and I did. So I guess I'm grateful for the motivation, I guess. But also, it's pretty clear who I don't want to be as a teacher, or like how I don't want to teach. Um, because ultimately it was all around him. I guess it was like really narcissistic now that I think about it. Because like the whole acting program, it seemed to exist in his head to just serve him, um, and his ego. So, um, yeah, he was mean. It was sad. It made me cry a lot. Um, but I guess I'm grateful overall.